There's something most women don't realize. Men don't fall in love over time. They decide within seconds if you're the one or just another option. Sounds extreme? It's not. Science proves it. From the moment a man meets you, his brain is rapidly processing microsignals, your energy, your body language, your presence. And within the first few moments, he already knows, is she a woman I could take seriously? Does she intrigue me on a deeper level? Or is she just another fleeting attraction? This isn't about looks alone. It's about how you make him feel in those first crucial moments. If you've ever felt like men lose interest too quickly, if you've ever wondered why some women effortlessly command attention while others fade into the background, this video is about to change the way you think about attraction forever. Because today, I'm breaking down the psychology of first impressions and the exact things men subconsciously look for when deciding if you're the one. The unconscious triggers that make men instantly decide. Men aren't consciously analyzing you in those first few seconds. Their brains are wired to scan for certain triggers, instantly without effort. This is why two women can walk into a room, and within moments, one commands attention effortlessly, while the other blends into the background. The key? Subconscious attraction cues. Let's break down the first trigger that determines whether a man sees you as the one or just another passing thought. Trigger number 1, the high-value energy signal. Most women think men notice looks first, but that's only half true. What men actually notice first is your energy. And here's the fascinating part. Your energy is visible before you even say a word. A study in social psychology revealed that people make judgments about confidence, status, and attractiveness within the first 0.1 seconds of seeing someone. What does this mean? Before you even open your mouth, a man already has a subconscious feeling about you. Do you carry yourself like a woman who is desirable and in control of her own life? Do you exude confidence, or do you seem unsure of yourself? Are you engaged with the room, or do you shrink into the background? Men are biologically drawn to women who signal high social value, women who move with confidence, take up space, and radiate a sense of ease in their own skin. This doesn't mean being loud or overly assertive. In fact, the most powerful women in a room are often the ones who say the least, because they don't need to prove themselves. What to do instead? Own your presence. When you walk into a room, don't shrink. Command space with your posture. Slow down. Confident women move with deliberate, controlled motions, while insecure energy is rushed and frantic. Master eye contact. One strong, steady gaze holds more power than 1,000 words. These tiny shifts immediately make a man see you differently. They signal, I am valuable, I know my worth. If you want access to me, you'd better bring something to the table. Trigger number 2, the effortless femininity effect. There's a reason why some women effortlessly capture a man's attention, while others struggle to keep it. And it has nothing to do with how much makeup you wear, how expensive your outfit is, or even how conventionally attractive you are. It's about the energy you radiate. Men are biologically wired to respond to polarity, meaning they are drawn to women who embody effortless feminine energy because it naturally contrasts with their masculinity. Feminine women inspire pursuit. Masculine energy commands respect, but not necessarily attraction. The balance between the two is what makes men instinctively see you as the one. This is why women who come across as too aggressive, too controlling, or too emotionally hardened often struggle in dating. It's not because they're unattractive, it's because their energy doesn't allow a man to step into his masculine role. What does effortless femininity look like? Graceful movements. Women who move with ease, softness, and fluidity captivate men instantly. Expressive warmth. A genuine open smile and a soft, inviting demeanor makes a man feel safe and drawn in. Emotional openness. Being confident in expressing emotions without coming across as needy or dramatic. What kills this attraction? Over-explaining, over-proving, or over-controlling. Using harsh body language, crossed arms, stiff posture, tense expressions, being overly critical or dismissive. When you tap into natural feminine energy, men don't just see you as attractive, they see you as a woman they want to protect, pursue, and commit to. Trigger number 3, the mystery factor. Men are hardwired to love a challenge, and one of the fastest ways to make a man lose interest before he even gets to know you is by giving away too much, too soon. Women often think that being an open book will help a man connect with them emotionally. But in reality, it removes the element of curiosity. A psychological study on attraction found that men become significantly more interested in a woman when they don't immediately know everything about her. Predictability kills excitement. Uncertainty creates dopamine, the brain chemical responsible for desire. The less information a man has up front, the more effort he puts into learning about you. Think of it this way. If he already knows your entire past, your struggles, your fears, and everything about your personality within the first few interactions, where's the intrigue? If he feels like he's already figured you out, there's no reason for him to keep investing. What to do instead? Let him ask more questions than you answer. Give partial answers that make him want to know more. Be present, but don't reveal every detail about yourself immediately. This doesn't mean playing games or withholding important things. It means allowing him the space to feel like he's discovering you over time. Because the more he feels like there's more to learn about you, the more invested he becomes. Trigger number 4, the exclusivity signal. Men are naturally drawn to women who are high value, and nothing signals high value more than exclusivity. What does that mean? It means you're a woman who doesn't just give access to anyone. Why exclusivity triggers commitment? In psychology, scarcity increases perceived value. The less available something is, the more desirable it becomes. Think about luxury brands. They don't beg people to buy, they make people work for the opportunity to have them. And because of that, people want them even more. Men feel the exact same way about women. If you are too easily available, he subconsciously assumes you are like every other woman. If you are too eager to please, he assumes he doesn't have to put in effort to win you over. But if you have high standards and firm boundaries, he sees you as a woman of value. What kills this attraction? Over-texting or over-pursuing him before he has earned it. Accepting inconsistent behavior without consequences. Always being available, even when he puts in little effort. How to become more exclusive. Don't be afraid to say no to plans if they're last minute. Let him pursue you instead of always being the one to initiate. Hold yourself to a standard. If he isn't meeting it, be willing to walk away. Exclusivity doesn't mean playing hard to get. It means having self-respect, high standards, and knowing your worth. Trigger number 5, the emotional connection test. Here's something most women don't realize. Men don't commit based on looks. They commit based on how they feel when they're with you. A man can meet the most stunning woman in the world, but if he feels tense, drained, or emotionally exhausted around her, he won't see her as the one. But if a woman makes him feel calm, seen, and emotionally connected, that's when his instincts kick in to pursue long-term commitment. What creates emotional connection? Being present. Put away your phone. Look him in the eyes. Actually listen, responding, not reacting. A man won't commit to a woman who is emotionally volatile. If you're constantly reactive, he won't feel safe. Sharing emotions without overwhelming him. Vulnerability is powerful, but it should be gradual, not dumped all at once. What kills emotional connection? Always trying to prove yourself instead of simply being yourself. Making everything about your needs instead of seeing his. Criticizing, complaining, or creating unnecessary tension. Men crave peace and emotional connection. If you can provide that, he will naturally feel drawn to you on a deeper level. The number 1 mistake that kills attraction in seconds. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. The fastest way to kill attraction instantly is to act like a man should be grateful just for your presence. Many women unknowingly give off an energy of entitlement, expecting men to prove themselves without offering anything in return. Here's the hard truth. Men don't commit to women because they should. They commit because they want to. The moment a man senses that you feel entitled to his time, his money, or his effort without reciprocating in a meaningful way, he mentally checks out. What to do instead? Show up as a woman who brings value through your presence, your warmth, and your energy. Focus on building genuine connection, not just receiving effort. Understand that high-value men also want to be chosen, not just expected to chase. Attraction is a two-way street. When a man sees that you appreciate his presence just as much as he appreciates yours, he will be driven to pursue and commit to you. Final takeaway. How to make a lasting first impression. The women men instantly see as the one aren't always the most beautiful or the most successful. They are the women who carry themselves with confidence and effortless feminine energy, hold high standards, and make men feel lucky to be in their presence. Keep an air of intrigue, making men invest to learn more about them. Create emotional connection without pressure, entitlement, or neediness. The good news? You don't have to change who you are. You just have to shift your energy. Stop chasing. Stop overproving. Stop giving everything up front. Start embodying confidence, self-worth, and emotional presence. When you do this, the right man won't just want you. He'll do everything in his power to keep you. What do you think? Drop a comment below. Do you believe men decide in seconds? Let's talk. And if you're ready to start making powerful first impressions, hit that like button and subscribe for more.